ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः। कूजन्तं राम रामेति मधुरं मधुराक्षरम् आरुह्य कविता शाखां वन्दे वाल्मीकि कोकिलं। नमस्कारः, स्वागतं। सप्ताशीत्युत्तर 300तमी कक्षा 387th क्लास टुडे। संक्षेप रामायणं पठ्यमानमस्ति। गतकक्षायां सार्ध 49तमः श्लोकः समाप्तः आसीत्। वस्तुतः एक एव श्लोकः इति वक्तुं शक्यते। तत्सम्बन्धी तत्र यः अभ्यासः वर्तते तम् अभ्यासं कुर्वन्तः स्मः। अभ्यासे प्रायः 6 अंशाः भवन्ति। अत्र तु 4 एव अंशाः सन्ति अस्मिन् अभ्यासे। 39 अभ्यासः। अस्मिन् अभ्यासे 4 एव अंशाः सन्ति। प्रथमांशः गतकक्षायाम् अस्माभिः कृतः। द्वितीयांशम् अद्य कुर्मः। So one part of the exercise 29 was done in the previous class. There are only 4 sections of this abhyasa. One is done. We are going over to the second one right now. So over to kartari prayoge parivartayata, change into active voice. We studied long back through this book kartari prayoga and karmani prayoga. Prayoga dvayam tatra vartate Sanskrit bhashayam. Ekah prayoga कर्तरि प्रयोगः इति, अन्यः कर्मणि प्रयोगः इति। यत्र कर्म प्रधानं भवति, यत्र यस्मिन् वाक्ये कर्मणः प्राधान्यं दीयते स प्रयोगः कर्मणि प्रयोगः। यत्र कर्तुः प्राधान्यं वर्तते तत् वाक्यं स प्रयोगः कर्तरि प्रयोगः इति कथ्यते। जानन्ति एतादृशः अयं प्रयोगः आङ्ग्लभाषायामपि वर्तते। बहुत्र अधिकतया दृश्यते आङ्ग्लभाषायामपि। So to second Srinivas, no example is given here. Ramena rakshasam. Now this sentence, etad vakyam karmani prayoge asti. Karmani prayoge asti. Etasya vakyasya kartari prayoge कर्तरि तत्र परिवर्तनं करणीयम्। रामेण इति तृतीया, रक्षसाम् इति जानन्ति। रक्षसां 14,000 रक्षसां, राक्षसानाम् एषा संख्या वर्तते। तावन्तः राक्षसाः। कियन्तः राक्षसाः इत्युक्ते 14,000 संख्याकाः राक्षसाः रामेण हताः। अत्र 14,000 निहतानि। This निहतानि is adjectival to 14,000. 14,000 of the demons were killed by Rama. So make it in kartari prayoga, active voice. First Ramaha. Ramena goes to Prathama Ramaha. Rakshasam stands same thing. Rakshasam 14,000. Then Nihatani changes into active. Either you put Nihatavan or Jaghana. But we have to use the same verb here. Nihatani, Nihatavan. Hatavan, Nihatavan. Ramaha punah ekavaram. रक्षसां 14,000 निहतवान्। रामः निहतवान् इति वाक्यम्। ख
रामेण वधः प्रतिज्ञातः।
So Ramena by Rama, Vadaha killing, Pratighnatah was promised. Killing was promised by Rama. Rama promised the killing. That is what we are going to do in Sanskrit Kartari Prayoga. Again put Rama. Ramaha.
No.
Vada is here Pratama. whatever is pratama in the karmani prayoga becomes dvitiya karma in the kartari. So vadham, Ramaha vadham. Then the verb matches with the Rama Shabda, not Vada Shabda. See, in Karmani Prayoga, the Kriya Pada will be Karma Anugami. Kriya Padam Karma Anugachati. Kartari Prayoge Kriya Padam Kartru Adhinam Bhavati. Kartaram Anugachati. The verb follows in active voice the subject, whereas the verb follows in the passive voice the object. Because the object in passive voice becomes the subject. That is why Vadaha is Prathama used here. Ramena Vadaha Pratignataha. Verb is agreeing with the Vada Shabda, not with Rama Shabda. If it were, because this is passive. Otherwise, when you are making it active, Kartari, Ramaha Vadham Pratignatavan. Rama had promised the killing. Killing was promised by Rama, same thing. Meaning doesn't change, either in Sanskrit or in English. Okay? So how did you do this? Ramaha Pratignatavan. Right.
Ramena Shurpanakha Virupita.
By Rama, Shurpanakha was deformed. Ramaha Shurpanakham Virupitavan. Rama deformed Shurpanakha. Right.
Pauraihi Ramaha Anugataha.
Pauraihi Ramaha Anugataha. Rama was followed by the citizens. That is the literal meaning of this passive sentence. Asya karmani prayoga vakyasya ayam artaha bhavati. Ramaha pauraihi anugataha. Rama was followed by his citizens. Citizens followed Rama.
Pauraha Ramam Anugatavantaha.
Anugatavantaha, anugataha also. If you can take anugataha. Anugataha is also comfortable. Pauraha Ramam Anugataha or Anugatavantaha.
Rama Lakshanabhyam
Ganga Nadi Tirna. Ganga, river Ganga was crossed by Rama and Lakshmana. We have to say it, Rama Lakshmana crossed the Ganga river. So put Rama Lakshmana in Prathama. Rama Lakshmanau. Ramaha cha Lakshmanascha Rama Lakshmanau. Dvandva samasa. Rama Lakshmanau. Ganga Nadim Tirna. And that form comes Tirna only. Tirna Vantau. Tirna Vantau. Verb has to be very, because in active voice the verb agrees with the subject. How many people are there? Rama Lakshmanau Dvau. Tirna, here it is Tirna because going with Ganga Nadi, the river Ganga was crossed. So Tirna Vantau. That's it. So this we have to write at the end. I will write. Come back to the third one. Rikta sthanam purayata. What is there? Only one example is given. Nihatam. Ni upasarga han dhatuhu kta pratyaya. Kha praptam. Pra plus apa plus kta. Again ktanta. Okay. Tirnam. No, the dhatu is through, tarane. Through plus kta. Kta it becomes. And then pujitaha. Puja iti dhatuhu kta. Again ktanta. Parityakta. Pari plus tyaja. Tyaja dhatu. Tyaja. Pari plus tyaja plus kta. Gatam. Gam plus kta. Gam plus ta. Gatam. So these are all Ktanta Prayogas, past passive participles, what we call in English, Ktavatu Nishtha Prayoga. This also will write, you have to write them to show. And the last part is Nirdishta Vibhakti Rupani, specified, you derive the declension. Rakshasaha, he wants you to do Shasti. I'm sorry, Rakshasaha. Rakshasaha, Rakshasoho, Rakshasam, Shasti Vibhakti complete. Now what is coming? Nihatam, Prathama.
Vivachana and Bahuvachana.
You have to only derive V and Bahuvachana. Vanam. No. Prathama, na? It is used in Napumsakalinga. Nihatam, Nihate, Nihatani. Ramena Chaturdasha Sahasrani Nihatani is there. So he is taking in Napumsakalinga. Nihata. Nihatam is Napumsakalingam. It is not Dvitiya, it is Prathama. So when it is Prathama, Nihatam, Nihate, Nihatani. Vanam, Vane, Vanani. Then Ga, same way. Sahasram, Sahasre, Sahasrani. Nivasata, Trutiya he wants, because this is Trutiya Ekavachana. Nivasata. Nivasadbyam, Nivasad Nivasad Bihi. Then Nivasinaha, Shasti. No. Shasti. Nivasinaha, Nivasinoho, Nivasinam. You said it? Achha. Now I heard it. Nivasinaha, Nivasinoho, Nivasinam. Shasti Bahuvachana. Vane Saptami. It is Ekavachana is given. Vane. Simplest. Rame. Yes. Vanayoho. Vaneshu. Rameshu. Akaranta Pullinga. How can you forget that? Vane, Vanayoho, Vaneshu. Rame, Ram. Any Napumsakalinga, Pullinga, both are same. Vanayoho, Vaneshu. Tasmin. Saptami he wants. This is a pronoun. Tat Chabda. Dakaranta Tat Chabda. Pullinge, Napumsake Tayoho, Teshu. Tasmin Tayoho, Teshu. Lot is to be written, we will write out. Anyway, Avadheyam. Now what is to be noted here? Ta pratyayasya, tavatu pratyayasya cha prayoga evam bhavati. Now he is giving you the upper, what we have done earlier. Nihatam, praptam, tirnam, pujitaha, parityakta, gatam. These are all the examples. Etani sarvanyapi udharani. Kasya pratyayasya, kta pratyayasya. Ta pratyayasya, tavatu pratyayasya. Anayoho bhedaha kaha atra darshita. Now the difference is shown here. Ta prayoga is like this. Ne, tena or taya. Tena is by him. Taya by her. Granthaha patitaha. A book is studied by him or by her. Second example. Tena taya, by him or by her. Kavita patita. A poem is read by him or by her. This is, you understand, isn't it? Tena taya pustakam patitam. Book is read by him or by her. Now the same is done in Pullinga and Strilinga. Because here Tena is Pullinga, Srinivas.
Yes.
Taya is Strilinga. So in the next side, next box he is giving Pullinga, Strilinga, both Tavatu. Pullinge, Saha, Grantham, Patitavan. Now what happened? Granthaha, Patitaha is passive. Ktanta is becoming Tavatu. Tavatu comes in active sense. Patitavan. Saha Grantham Patitavan. Tena Granthaha Patitaha. Granthaha Patitaha. Tenava Tayava. It could be either by him or by her. Right? Similarly, if it is Strilinga, Sa, Grantham, you can't say Patitavan. When you use participle, it goes like Indian language. The verb has to agree with the gender, like in all Indian languages. You can't match. Otherwise, if you use regular verb in Sanskrit, Like Saha Grantham Apatat, Sa Grantham Apatat. No difference. You are not using regular verb here. This is a participle verb, derivable. So it derives like this. Next one. Saha
Kavitam
Patitavan, Sa Kavitam Patitavati. So watch the difference in Strilinga. Patitavan, Patitavati.
Satyavan Satyavati.
Like that. Then Saha Pustakam Patitavan, Sa Pustakam Patitavati. This is the, some writing is there. Same. Part 2 we have to write it.
Yes, sir.
Abhyasa 29.
Rama Rakshasa Chaturdasha Sahasrani.
You are giving me the answer?
Yeah. Ihatama.
In fact, this has not changed, na? We did not write actually. The main is Ramaha Nihatavan. Isn't it, Srinivas?
But from second onwards it's completely changed.
Oh.
Ka.
Watch this underlined word. Right.
Rama Vadam
Pratignatavan.
Patignata. Ga.
Change is
Even
not.
Rama also changed. Ramayana.
Oh, Ramayana is there. Right.
Ga. Rama Shurpanakha. Virupitavan.
Kim?
Virupitavan.
Virupitavan. Shurpanakam, Rama. So all are changed. Okay.
Paura.
What is that?
Paura.
Aura.
Ramam. Anugata. Anugatavanta.
You will write both. Anugataha. Anugatavantah. Yeah.
Rama Lakshmanavu. Ganganadim. Kirnavanto.
Let us pause. When there is total change, we need not put this. Partial change only have to.
Ramah Rakshasam Chaturdasha Sahasrani Nihatavan. Ka Ramah Adham Pratignyatavan. Ga Ramah Shurpanakham Virupitavan. Gha Paurah Raman अनुगतवन्तः रामलक्ष्मणौ गङ्गानदीं
तीर्णवन्तौ इति द्वितीयांशः। पुनः किं लेखनीयम्? ओ तृतीयांश also has to. We have made it very big actually, otherwise half I could have written. We'll pause and do that. Is it okay, time? Yeah. Fourth.
Third
Part 3.
First one, Ka is already given.
Okay, Ka is given.
Praptam. Pra plus Apa plus Ta.
From Ta you get only Ta.
Ga. Tirnam. Through.
Tirnam, through dirgha. Through plus Ta.
Gha. Ujita. Uj. Plus Ta.
Puja plus Ta. Over.
Pari plus Yaja plus Ta.
Yaja.
Ta.
Plus Ta.
Cha. Gatam. Gam plus Ta.
Over. Part 4. So we can start here, part 4 actually.
First one is given, Kha.
Acha, Ka is given.
Ka is given. Kha. Prathama is asking Nihatam. Nihato.
Acha, first one is given, na? Nihate is given,
Nihate is asking only Vivachana and Bahuvachana.
Nihatam.
He is asking for only Vivachana and Bahuvachana.
Dvivachana, that is what dash, Nihatam.
Yeah. Nihate.
Nihatam, Nihate, Nihatani. Nihatam, Nihati.
Next, Ga.
Nihatani.
Sahasre, Sahasrani.
This is just like the above one. Sahasre, Sahasrani.
Kha.
We go to top.
Nivasadhyam. Nivasadbhi. This is Tritiya. Nivasadhyam.
Yeah, Trutiya. Vasabhi.
Nivasina. Nivasino. वने वनयोः वनेषु सप्तमी
Vaneshu. Any more? Child.
Saptami again. Tayoho teshu.
Tasmin is given. Tayoho. Over. Can read once.
Third word. Kha. Pra plus apa plus ta. Ga. Tru plus ta. Gha. Uja plus ta. Nya. Pari plus tyaj.
Plus ta. Cha. Gam plus ta.
Fourth.
Ka is given. Okay. Ka is given. So, this is already there.
Kha. Ihade. Ihadani. Ga. Sahasre. Sahasrani. Gha. Nivasadbhyam. Nivasadbhihi. Nya. Nivasino.
Oh. Nivasino. Si.
Nivasinoho. Nivasinam.
Nivasinam.
Cha. Panayoho. Paneshu. Cha. Tayoho.
Teshu. Tayoho. Teshu. 1 minute, you can just keep it. In the meantime, you can read the poem. Let it be there on the board.
We can pause video. We can pause and do it.
They can do it. Okay, okay. Yeah, that they can do. We'll go to the next sloka.
Yeah. रक्षसां निहतान्यासन् सहस्राणि चतुर्दश ततो ज्ञातिवधं श्रुत्वा रावणः क्रोधमूर्च्छितः सहायं वरयामास मारीचं नाम राक्षसाम्.
So somewhere it is Rakshas, somewhere it is Rakshasa, it is confusing. Rakshasa is Akaranta Pullinga Shabda. Rakshas is Sakaranta Napumsakalinga Shabda. Padachedam karomi. Tataha Gnati Vadham Srutva Ravanaha Krodha Murchitaha Sahayam Varayamasa Maricham Nama Rakshasam iti. Padaparichayam Tataha Gnati Vadham Srutva Tvantam Aviyam Ravanaha Krodha Murchitaha Sahayam Akaranta Varayamasa Vru iti Nich. A lot of description is Vru iti Dhatuhu Nich Prayogaha Preranarthi Nich Kartari active voice lit perfect tense Prathama Purusha third person Ekavachana. Okay, Maricham Nama Rakshasam Akaranta Ekavachanam Akanksha Evamasti Varayamasa Vri Dhatu Varayamasa means Vara to choose, select, seek, sought, Angla Bhashayam sought. Varayamasa Ramaha Ravanaha Varayamasa Sahayam Varayamasa Kasya Sahayam Varayamasa Rakshasasya Kidrushasya Kim Namaka Rakshasasya Sahayam Varayamasa Maricham Namakam Namakasya Rakshasasya Sahayam Varayamasa. So Varayamasa Kaha Varayamasa, who sought? Ravana sought. Kidrushaha Ravanaha Varayamasa. What type of Ravana sought? Ravana, who was literally who fainted with anger, who was full of anger, that is to say, Murcha here means full of anger. Ravana, who was full of anger, sought the help. Katham Krodha Murchitaha. How was he stupefied by anger? Sutva, having heard the killing of his people. Sutva, Gnati vadham. Gnatinam vadham sutva. Having heard the killing of his people, of his own people, he became mad with anger. Krodha murchita.
Gnati means own people.
One's own relative, kith and kin. Kim varayamasa. What did he seek?
Sahayam varayamasa.
He sought the help. Ravanaha kam sahayam varayamasa. Whom did Ravana seek help from?
Ravanaha rakshasam sahayam varayamasa.
From whom did Ravana seek help? That is the correct way. From Ravana sought help from a Rakshasa. Help of a Rakshasa. Kam Rakshasam. What Rakshasa?
Maricham nama
A Rakshasa, a demon by name Maricha. He sought the help. Anvayartham padatu.
ततः ज्ञातिवधं श्रुत्वा रावणः क्रोधमूर्छितः अभवत् सः मारीचं नाम राक्षसं सहायं वरयामास.
Tataha, then Gnati vadham bandhu vadham shrutva Ravanaha iti शब्दस्य व्युत्पत्तिः पूर्वमेव मया प्रकटितः. व्युत्पत्ति प्रकटिता दर्शिता. रावयति इति रावणः. रावयति इति. He makes people cry. Is a great Ravayati. So Ravana krodha murchitaha, krodhena murchitaha abhavat. He became literally empowered, mad with, you can say, stupefied with, mad with anger. Saha, that Ravana, Maricham nama Rakshasam, Rakshasa by name Maricha, Sahayam Varayamasa. He sought help of a demon by name Maricha. Okay, Padartham Pashyamaha, Sigram. Tataha, Jnativadham,
Jnatijananam hatyam,
Bandhujananam hatyam, Shrutva,
Akarnya,
Krodha murchitaha.
Kopena murchitaha.
So, in some interpretation, Krodha murchitaha means not fainting. We don't take fainting.
Shaking.
That is stupefied, mad with anger. Better. Was full of anger. That is how the Telugu commentaries say. He was full of anger. That means he was overtaken by anger. The better. Krodha murchitaha nama, he was overpowered by anger. Overtaken by anger. Maricham nama, Maricha iti prasiddham rakshasam. Rakshasam asuram sahayam varayamasa yachitavan. He asked for sort. Bhavartham padatu.
Atmiya jananam vadhavrittam vijnaya Ravanah krodhavishtaha jatah.
Okay. Atmiya jananam vadhavrittam Vignaya Shrutva Akarnya. After coming to know about the death killing of his own near and dear people, Ravana became totally angry. Saha
pratikrodha
bhavanaya
maricham nama rakshasam sahayam yachitavan.
Saha, that Ravana, pratikrodha bhavanaya, with a feeling of pratikrodha. I mean, what do you say? What do you say, pratikrodha? Revenge, yeah. With a feeling of revenge, with an angry feeling of revenge, Maricham nama Rakshasam Sahayam, he sought the help of a Rakshasa by name Maricha. So English is okay. Stupefied through anger to hear of the destruction of his kinsman, Ravana sought the help of a fellow Org, Maricha by name, one of the two sons of the ogress of Tadaka. Tataka. There is the lady Rakshasa. Tataka or Tadaka, both are same. Tadaka is given here. Tataka. And she had two sons. This Maricha is one son. Subahu is another son. Maricha and Subahu. So Maricha was one of the sons of two sons of the Tataka or Tadaka. Demoness. Nidarshanam Vyakarnamsham Pashyamaha. Sandhi. Gnati. Tataha. Visargasa. Samasa. Oh, eka eva sandhi. Samasaha.
Jnativadam jnatinam vadha
Shashti Tatpurusham Tam Gnati Vadam. So Gnati Nam Bandhu Nam Vadaha Bandhu Vadaha Gnati Vadaha Tam Gnati Vadam Krodha Murchitaha Krodhena Murchitaha. This is Trutiya Tatpurusha Samasa. Krodhena Murchitaha Krudanta Eka Eva Krudanta Prayogaha Tadattaha Asti Shrutva Shrutva iti Shru Dhatuhu Tvanta Prayogam Avyayam Ataha Shrutva Anyat Tatra Padamasti Akarnya Shrutva Nama Akarnya Gha Tadditantau Dvau Tadditantau Tatra Shabdau Tataha Tat iti Vayam Janimaha Etasya Tasil Etena yadi tasil pratyaya bhavati tarhi tataha iti nishpannaha bhavati shabdaha. Murchitaha Murcha iti Murcha iti shabdaha asti itach iti pratyaya Murcha asya sanjata iti tarakadivat Murcha asya sanjata iti murchitaha. Itach from that you get only it cha will be dropped out. Kusumani, another example I will give you. Kusumani asya sanjatani iti kusumitaha. There is a word like kusumitaha. Vrikshaha. Kusumitaha vrikshaha. A flowering or a flowered tree, a tree which has flowered, is called kusumitaha vrikshaha. Kusumani asya sanjatani is equal to kusumitaha. In the same way, murchitaha. We have also some examples given in the book. Tarakani asya santi tarakitam navaha. Tarakitam kusuma, etc. So that is gha taditanto tataha murchitaha. Murcha asya sanjata iti tarakadi. Murcha is swoon. Literally it means swoon. Srinivas. Murcha means swoon. Stupefied, having, etc. Then Vyutpatti is showing Vyutpatti for the Ravana Shabda, Srinivas. Rauti, Ravayati iti Ravana. Rauti means cries. He is also a crier, I told you. Once Ravana tried to lift he called Lord Shiva, who was in deep meditation. Shiva did not respond to him. So he got angry. Shiva was sitting in his Kailasa mountain and Ravana went there and called out, "Hey Shiva, Agacha," something must have said. Shiva did not respond. So he got angry and he started lifting Kailasa mountain. Who? Ravana. He started lifting mountain, Kailas. So Shiva sensed that and crushed his hand under the mountain. He did not allow him to lift. And it went on for 1,000 years, they say. Thousands of years. He went on crying. Shiva coolly did his meditation, his hand was stuck there, got stuck, and then he went on crying. Then Shiva said, "You are a good crier. You cry very nicely. That is why you get a name like Ravana." Rauti, cries. Rauti means crying. Or Ravayati, makes others cry also. Because he is a great crier, he makes others also cry. Like all our Atankavadis now. But they don't have this first quality. They are desensitized. They make others cry. Then Vyutpatti, that is over. Kosha. Murchitaha.
Murchitau
Muda Sochrayau. Vajayanti Kosha. Some Vajayanti Kosha gives you Murchitau. Murcha and Mudha. The word Mudha. Mudha also means one fellow who is totally stupefied. Stupefied. One who is swoon, mentally swoon. Mudha. And Uchraya. Sochraya. Sorry. Mudha Sochraya. Sochraya means Sa Uchraya. Height. Having height. They are all used in the same sense. Sochraya. Murchitau Muda Sochrayau. I think Sochraya is very, literally it means having a good height, Srinivas, lofty. Now, how is this linked to Murcha? You may have a doubt. While explaining only, I am getting this word. Sochraya means having a height. Sa Uchraya. Uchraya means height. There is a word in American English. He is spaced out. Fellow who has gone out of his mind is called spaced out. Space is very big, na? So like that, Sochraya means his mind is gone out of order. That is the word here. Anyway, Abhyasa is coming. Trimshaha Abhyasaha. Slokasthanam Dvitiya Vibhaktyanta Padanam Ekatra Sangraham Krutva Tesham Moola Shabdam Pratipadikam Cha Nirdesho. Write the Dvitiya Vibhaktyanta Rupa. Second case words in one place. For example, Maricham, Maricha. That is the Pratipadika. The base you also write. Second word. Gnati Vadam, Srinivas. First one. Gnati Vadam. What is the Moola? I mean, Pratipadika Gnati Vada. Sahayam. Sahaya Shabda. Pratipadika Sahaya Shabda. Very simple. Rakshasam is Dvitiya. Pratipadika, the base is Rakshasa. Rakshasa only. So, very simple. This is, you have passed in the first test. One is Gnati Vadha, Vadam, and Pratipadika is Gnati Vadha. Sahayam is second, this is Dvitiya Ekavachana, and the Pratipadika is Sahaya. Third one is Rakshasam, and the Pratipadika is Rakshasa. You take out it becomes Pratipadika as such. 2. Adholikita Padanam Parichayam Nikata. Now you write about this, recognize. Tataha Tasilantam Avyayam. That is already come there. I will show you. Here only, I think. There only. Above. Taditanto. You can see above. Tataha. Tat plus Tasil. Tasil. When Tasil is added, Taha is remaining out of it. Taha. It becomes Avyaya. Ravanaha. Pullinga. Prathama Ekavachanam. Shrutva. Shru dhatu. Ktva. Shru iti dhatu. Ktva anta pratyaya. Ga nishamya. Nisham. Nisham iti. Sham, actually with ni only, this gives you meaning of listening to. So we take together Nisham plus Lyap. Lyap, Levanta. Levanta. Nishamya means Shrutva. Akarnya. There are three words now. Listen. Shrutva, Nishamya, Akarnya. Samshrutya. Sometimes Sam Upasarga Purvam Shru Dhatu. Shrutva. Samshrutya. So, what is the dhatu here? Nisham plus ya. Lyap. Lyap. From Lyap you get ya. Krodhena Akaranta Krutiya Ekavach. Rakshamsi Sakara Napumsakalinga Prathama Bahuvachan. It could be Prathama, it could also be Dvitiya Bahuvachan. But here it is Prathama, let us take. Then last one, Cha Varayamasa Vru. Vru iti dhatuhu nich prayogaha. I think that also you can look here. Go back. Kartari, big, but there Vru dhatu is also given, yes. On page 169, let them see once again. Show them. Vru iti dhatuhu nich nijanta pratyaya kartari lit prathama purusha ekavachana. Then what? Over. Dvitiyamshaha samaptaha. Tritiya sloka anusaram uttaram likata. Now right answer as per this sloka. Kaha krodha murchitaha jataha. Who became stupefied with anger? Kaha replace Ravanaha. Very simple. Ravanaha krodha murchitaha jataha sampannaha. Next, Saha that is Ravanah. Kim krutva krodhamurchitah jatah.
Jnati vadham shrutva.
Saha, you have to also say, Saha gnati vadham krutva.
Kim krutva.
Doing what? Kim krutva jati vadham, sorry, gnati vadham shrutva krodhamurchita jatah. Ravana kam sahayam varayamasa. Whom did Ravana ask help? Maricham sahayam varayamasa. Marichaha kaha? Who was Maricha? Marichaha rakshasaha asit. Marichaha rakshasaha asit. Ravanasya gnatayaha kena hataha. The relatives of Ravana were killed by whom?
Ravanasya gnatayaha
Ramena hataha. That's it. Ramena hataha. Very simple. I'll rapidly sum up this in verse. Kaha Ravanaha kim gnati vadham sutva kam maricham 4. Kaha rakshasaha kena ramena. Chaturtamshaha prayogan bahuvachane parivartaya. Now you change them into plural here. Sorry. Yeah. Take gnati vadhena. No, you make it plural. Gnati vadhena tritiya ekavachana. Gnati vadhabhyam gnati vadhaihi. Gnati vadhaihi. That's it. Sahayam. Sahayam sahaye sahayani. Oh, no, this is pulling a shabda. Sahayam sahayav sahayan. So you write sahayan here, bahuvachana. Sahayam is dvitiya ekavachana, right? You give here dvitiya bahuvachana. Sahayan. Rakshasam. This is dvitiya ekavachana. What is the plural of this? Rakshasan. Like that, Rakshasan. Rakshasam, Rakshasan. Varayamasa. This is difficult. Varayamasa is ekavachana, lit. Varayamasa, varayamasuhu, varayamasuhu, varayamasatuhu, first, dvivachana. Dvivachana is not asked. Varayamasa, varayamasatuhu, varayamasuhu. Masa is there na, you sa, you make suhu. Varayamasuhu. I repeat, varayamasa, varayamasatuhu, varayamasuhu iti lit prayoga. Vru iti dhatu. Again we have seen vru dhatu. Varayamasa, sought. Panchamamshaha. Tvanta rupam likata. Now you write tvanta. This varayamasa I may show on the board. If you want. Shrutva, han plus tva, atva, labha plus tva, labdva, saha plus tva, sodva, it becomes sodva, that is why given. Gam plus tva, gatva. Very simple, na? Shrutva, hatva, labdva, sodva, gatva. Shrutva after listening, hatva after killing, having killed, labdva having obtained, sodva having tolerated, gatva having gone after going. So what is to be written now? Nothing. So I will repeat this varayamasa. Varayamasa, varayamasatuhu, masatuhu, varayamasuhu. Masuhu is plural, is required. Evam अस्माकं अभ्यासः त्रिंशः अभ्यासः सुसम्पन्नः जातः. इदानीं पञ्चाशत्तमं श्लोकं एकपञ्चाशत्तमं श्लोकं सार्ध एकपञ्च द्विपञ्चाशत्तमश्लोकस्य अर्धभागं च पठामः. बिग इज कमिंग हियर. सहायं
वरयामास मारीचं नाम राक्षसं वार्यमाणः सुबहुषो मारीचेदस रावणः न विरोधो बलवतां
अनादृत्यतु तद्वाक्यं कालचोदितः पुनः पठतु अनादृत्यतु तद्वाक्यं रावणः कालचोदितः तद्वाक्यं रावण जगाम इति द्वाविंशः श्लोकस्य अर्धभागं यावत् वार्यमाणः पदच्छेदं करोमि बहुशः मारीचेन सह रावणः न विरोधः बलवता क्षमः बलवता विरोधः न क्षमः न उचितः हे रावण तेन ते हे रावण तेन बलवता रामेण ते तुभ्यं विरोधः न उचितः न क्षमः अनादृत्यतु तद्वाक्यं तस्य मारीचस्य वाक्यम् अनादृत्य न स्वीकृत्य नांगीकृत्य अनादृत्य रावणः कालचोदि दिस इज द मोस्ट पावरफुल वर्ड आई लाइक कालचोदितः रावणः why did Ravana do this why did in the Mahabharata epic Duryodhana always do like that because he was also kalachoditah vinasha kale viparita buddhihi we have a famous saying vinasha kale viparita buddhihi the buddhi becomes parita a person whose I'll tell you a person whose time has come he behaves in a very viparita in a very unexpected manner in a very opposite manner opposite to the established norms and customs viparita buddhi kala here means mrityu kalosmi aham bharatarshava kala choditah nama kalena मृत्युना प्रेरितः चोदितः नाम प्रेरितः रावणः see everybody this is mrityu loka after we are all you study in our Vedanta class how mrityu this is mrityu loka that is why we are called martyaha what are we called martyaha maranashilaha vayam maranam asmakam dharmah yatha janma तथा मरणम जातस्य ध्रुवो मृत्युः ध्रुवम जन्म मृतस्य च अपरिहार्ये हर्ति दिस इज inescapable condition that is why this is called mrityu loka mortal world not immortal world this is not a immortal world so kala choditah means kalena mrityuna choditah preritah ravanah evam akarot iti Ravana, who was driven to death by the time factor, did behave totally, did not care to the good advice given by even this Rakshasa Maricha. Leave alone his own brother, Vibhishana. Went on counseling him till he was kicked out of his Lanka. So, Pada Parichayam Pashyamaha, Srinivas. Samaya asti? Jagama went Sahamarichaha Tasya Ashrama Padam Tada. Samaya asti kal?
Yes.
Pada Parichayam Varyamanaha Akaranta Subahushaha Subahushas Avyayam. It is not a Samasta Pada, it's a mistake there. If it is Samasta Pada, it should have been explained. I don't think. Sabahusha is not so. No, I don't know. Marichena Saha Dakaranta Sarva. Ravanaha, okay, Akaranta. Na Avyayam. Virodhaha, Akaranta Pulling. Balavata, Ekavachanam. Kshamaha, Ravana, संबोधन प्रथमा एकवचनं संबोधन प्रथमा एकवचनं हे रावण इति तेन तद्
तद् शब्द दकार सर्वनाम पुल्लिंग
तृतीया
एकवचनं
ते
तद् शब्द दकार
here also a mistake.
षष्ठी एकवचनं
Here is a big mistake committed in the book.
वैकल्पिकं रूपं
No, wait. Tad is wrong. It is Yushmad. I will show on the board. There you put the cursor. Let me point out that. What is that point?
This is Padaparichaya.
Padaparichaya, under Padaparichaya. Last one. Chappandi, what is the word?
Te.
Te. Te iti Yushmat Shabda. Dakarantah. Dakaranta Sarvanama. Everything is okay, I think. Yushmat Dakaranta Sarvanama.
Shashti ekavachana.
Shashti Sarvanama. Pullinga is given, that is wrong. Pullinga is also wrong. There is no linga for this Ashma Shabda, this is wrong.
What is Vaikalpikam Rupam?
Vaikalpikam Rupam is alternate form we have in Ishmad and Asma Shabda. Remember, aham, avam, vayam. You can take Yushma Shabda you. Tvam, yuvam, yuyam. Tvam, tva, yuvam, vam, yushman, naha. Tvaya, yuvabhyam, yushmabhihi. Tubhyam, te. Double forms comes in Dvitiya, Chaturthi, Shashti. Tubhyam, te. Yuvabhyam, etc. And tvat, yuvabhyam, yushmat. Coming to Shashti, tava, te. Tava, te. Yuvayoho vam yushmakam vaha. Tvayi yuvayoho yushmasu. Tavate. Tava is first form. Te is Vaikalpikam Rupam. That is alternative form. That is this. Te. Te means tava. There it is better. This means this. The first form is tava. This is Shashti. Singular. Both are this. Srinivas. Shashti singular. So tad is Ishmad is Dakaranta Sarvanama, not Pullinga. Shashti Ekavachana Vaikalpikam alternative form. Tavate. Generally, I told you this te never comes in the beginning of a sentence or before cha, etc. Srinivas. You can't begin a sentence with te nama kim. You don't say tava nama kim. Pashyami deva, no. Te, you can't open a sentence, beginning of it, the alternative form. Okay. Padam. Anadrutya, levantam, avyayam. Anadrutya. Tu. They are doing Padaparichaya. No, Padaparichaya is not done over. To the right side, so many padas are there. Tu avyayam tad vakyam dvitiya. This is samasta. Ravanaha akara pulinga. Okay, leave it. Kala choditaha akara. Okay, samastam. Jagama gam kartari sahamarichaha samastapadam. Tasya tad dakaranta sarvanama shabda Pullinga. Then, Pullinga. This is Pullinga, but there it is not Pullinga. Asrama Padam Akaranta. Tada Taditantam Avyayam. Okay. Sorry. Here we stop conveniently. Shubham Bhuyat.